We are now 6 days into this year's Black Friday sales, and the prices have settled down enough that I am ready to give you my top picks for this year's best deals. And just a reminder, there are no sponsored reviews on this channel, and thanks to my wife manually tracking the price of over 100 items every single day, I've got the most accurate price history data anywhere on the internet. Starting out with Robotic Vacuums, if you're looking for a flagship, the Roborock Saros 10R is the best all-around vacuum and mop in 2025. And it's currently on sale for $9.99, which is $200 less than its previous low price of $11.99, and $600 less than its most common price. If you're looking to spend just a little bit less, the Dream X50 Ultra, this year's flagship runner-up, is on sale for $7.99 with a free bottle of Dream Multi-Surface Cleaner, and I've gotten an additional promo code for an extra $40 off, making its final price $759. And last for flagships, the best robotic vacuum and mop of 2024, the Eufy S1 Pro, is on sale for $6.99, which is $100 less than it's ever been. And if you have no idea how to decide between these three flagship options, you should choose the Saros 10R for its ability to clean under low furniture and avoid hair tangles. The Dream X50 Ultra has slightly better object recognition and avoidance, and it also has the ability to cross unreasonably tall thresholds, and the Eufy S1 Pro is the best mop out of the three, and it's the one that's best suited for a house with mostly hard flooring. If you don't want a flagship and you're looking for the sweet spot where you get extremely high performance for incredibly reasonable prices, I'm 99% done with the testing for my next video, which focuses on vacuums between $300 and $600, and the Mova P50 Ultra is currently $499, and it feels like a flagship vacuum in disguise, and it actually moved into first place overall for my high power carpet vacuuming test, and it also had a completely clean paper towel result in my standard mopping test. And if $499 is still a little bit out of your price range, the Dream L10S Ultra Gen 1 is still an incredible performer, and it's now less than $300, which is an absolute steal, especially considering it was $1,000 when it came out 3 years ago. And speaking of great deals, next there are some awesome deals on projectors right now, and the new XGIMI Horizon 20 is the highest value projector that has ever existed. It's on sale for $11.99 for a 4K RGB laser projector with optical zoom, vertical and horizontal lens shift, nearly 2,400 color accurate lumens, Google TV built in, and it's got the lowest input lag of any projector on the market. And you get all that for under $1,200. And it's not a Kickstarter, and it's not a no-name company, it's just an absolutely insane deal. If you're looking for something even better, especially for a light-controlled room, the Valerian Pro 2 is on sale for $90 less than its lowest price ever at $22.99. If your space is better set up for an ultra short throw projector, the best all-around ultra short throw 2 years in a row, the Hisense PX3 Pro, is on sale for $26.97 during Black Friday, which is $300 less than it's ever been. If you're looking for something small and portable, the Hisense M2 Pro is also a great deal at $8.99, and the Dangbei Atom is also another great pick at $549, which is $50 less than its previous low price. The ultimate battery-powered camping projector, the Nebula Mars 3, is at its lowest price ever at just under $700. And last, if you are building a golf simulator on a budget, the MagCubic HY450 is a great pick, and it's 46% off of its most common price, down to just $81. I recognize that it is a little bit of a strange time to buy a robotic lawnmower, but the Ecovacs Goat A3000 LiDAR, which was my top pick in this year's review, is on sale for just $2,099, which is 30% off of its most common price, and the runner-up, the Momotion Luba Mini, is 25% off of its most common price at $11.99. It's also a pretty strange time to be buying a robotic pool vacuum, but the Aper Scuba S1 2025 edition with the fine filter mesh is at its lowest price ever at $519. For security cameras, the Reolink Altis and Home Hub are at their lowest prices ever, and one of my favorite cameras ever, the Reolink Duo Flood, is 20% off of its most common price, but it's not quite at its lowest price ever, and the same is true for the Eufy S3 Pro Solar 2 camera kit, which is 27% off of its most common price. And last, in a more miscellaneous category, the Aqara U100 Smart Lock is $5 off its lowest price ever, and the Shelly RGB WPM LED strip controller is 21% off, making it just under $25. Through the rest of this year's deal event, we are going to continue to monitor prices and update the Black Friday deals Google Sheet and price tracker daily, and I'm also giving away 2 $500 gift cards over on my Instagram page, and most importantly, I've got links down in the description for all the deals that I went over in this video, and as always, I really appreciate when you use those links, since as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Happy deal hunting, and as always, thanks for watching The Hookup.